Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we're going to install LED bulbs, and those are amazing LED bulbs that actually change colors, guys, on this Dodge vehicle. So we'll demonstrate on Dodge Dart, but pretty much, guys, you work on any vehicle, any Dodge, guys. Just you need to confirm that this is the correct size of bulbs, and even if you don't know for sure, check your manual, okay, or contact the company, guys, and they will tell you what bulbs you need. Actually, they will tell you if you need special resistors or capacitors, guys, that can eliminate error, okay, from the computer that your bulb is not working correctly. As you know, if you install LED bulbs, sometimes it can indicate on the dash that it will say that the headlight bulb is out, it's not working, when it's actually working. This is because LED bulbs use lower consumption. So using one of those devices, again, you can contact the company and they can check it out for you. We'll actually guarantee that you have no problems, guys. Now let's go ahead and show you guys what we're going to do here. Okay, this is Dodge Dart, as I said, but it will work pretty much on any car and most Dodges as well. This is, guys, the LED bulb. It's made by Boslla, guys. This is amazing quality bulb. What is cool about it? This is a bulb that changes colors, guys. And I mean, it really changes colors. Okay, those are all the different modes. You can see it has 4 modes, 3 color modes, and one is the warning flash, SOS mode I call it. Those are the capacitors that you may need to use, or resistors. In our case, we thought we need them, we didn't, because they have 2 different models, Dodge Dart with the warning and without the warning. So comes with the manual. It explains, guys, how to install them, how to change the different modes and all that stuff. We'll show you how to do that now. This is the bulb, guys. It comes with the device that you need to plug in, okay, right there. Just go ahead, get it in and get it tight. Now, these are probably, in my opinion, guys, consider that a sponsored video because they were sent to us, but it's not going to influence my decision. These are the best LED bulbs that I've ever owned. You need to remove that glass element, okay, before you install them, and do not touch the chip with your fingers, guys. Just don't. Now, on that Dodge, some Dodges, okay, you have to go ahead and open the hood to reach the bulbs. In our case, okay, the bulbs are reachable, okay, through that cover, guys, right here, through the fender liner. So you just go ahead and open it now. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and remove, okay, you can see that cover. Turn it. Now we have the bulb. First we need to disconnect, guys, okay, here the wiring harness. Okay, wiring harness will need to be disconnected. Perfect, and now I turn the bulb counterclockwise, and it comes out. Okay, check it out. This is, guys, the old bulb. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, we get the new bulb. Okay, we're going to get the new bulb, and we're going to remove the glass element right here. Now, you need to see which way it goes, okay, and in our case it goes, okay, kind of like that, and we're going to turn clockwise. Don't touch the glass element on the front. Okay, let me pull the wiring harness out of the way. This is the wiring harness because we'll need it later. Now those bulbs are good for okay, perfect, for low beams or high beams bulbs, guys. Now if you have the resistor here, okay, what do you have to do? If your car is smart enough to tell you that the headlight bulb is out, you need to install it now. And installation is pretty forward. Okay, let me show you. You just need to get that device, okay, and you're going to plug it on one side, okay, and then plug the other one to the car. Pretty simple. In our case, we don't need it. However, guys, sometimes with LED bulbs, okay, you can switch these sides. Check it out. So you need to see if you push it in and it doesn't work, turn it 180 degrees and reconnect it again. One of the sides works, it says plus and minus on this, you can see. So unless you know the cables on your car, sometimes it's hard to tell for sure. I think in our case it's that way. Now you can go ahead and push the wires in. Some people leave the cap open for LED bulbs so they can cool better, some close them. I've done both things. so it really depends, but let's go ahead. Okay, before I put everything up, I want to see how that thing works now. So we're going to go ahead, close the door, guys, and we're going to start the car. You will be amazed, guys, okay, how good looking those LED light bulbs are. You'll be amazed, guys, I'm telling you. So that's the first bulb I see to change colors for different modes. Let's say you drive in the snow, fog, or regular night driving. Okay, check it out. Now this is the regular mode. This is 6500. Okay, K light. Check it out. Light. The light is white. Okay, this is the factory bulb right here. Way different, guys. Now let me show you right here on the door. You will be amazed. Check out the difference. It's simply amazing, guys. Okay, this is the LED bulb. This is the factory bulb on that Dodge. Now let's go ahead and turn the lights off. Turn them back on. That's how you change the modes. This, guys, is 4500 K light. This is more yellowish. It really depends on the condition, the blacktop, the highway. This one could be really good for night driving as well. It's more yellowish. Now, if we turn the headlights off one more time and turn them back on, now the next setting I would recommend probably for fog lights, driving in the fog or driving through snow, guys, could be very helpful as well. Yellowish light. Okay, this thing is amazing, guys. It's pretty cool. Check it out now. Headlight turns yellow. Now, if we go one more time, turn them off, turn them back on. Check it out. This is the SOS flashlight mode. Let's say you have a flat tire, something broke down, and you need to be noticed at night. Leave that thing on. Everybody will know that you're there, guys. So definitely this is one of the best bulbs that we had. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.